Venezuela has the best natural bitumen in the world. Typically, all other equivalents cannot be used in road construction without changes. Bitumen requires improvement in quality to meet the standards, so as the bitumen-containing road pavement would not deteriorate for a long time. If you add polymers to bitumen, it will increase the service life of roads by 20%. GlobeCore has developed a technology capable of ensuring the fast production of modified bitumen. Various types of modifiers are suitable for this purpose. You can choose the mixture formulation depending on the objectives. In order to obtain a certified product, 1 to 6% of polymer, up to 10% of plasticizer, up to 1% of adhesion additive are blended in bitumen. GlobeCore has an established product range of bitumen modification units with a capacity of 6, 12, and 22 cubic meters per hour. The USB-3 unit with the capacity of 22 cubic meters per hour features 2 colloid mills. Owing to the first one, modified bitumen mixture swells, and owing to the second one, it is thoroughly ground. The mill contains special cutters that quickly grind, cut, and homogenize the polymer bitumen. The distance between the knives can be adjusted. The cutters as such have an extended service life due to hydrodynamic mixers installed in front of them. The stages of mixing the ingredients occur in sequence. At the outlet, we obtain a high performance of the material compliant with the industry-accepted standards. It should be noted that the bitumen modification unit by GlobeCore is fully automated. It is easy to learn how to operate that. It requires no highly qualified experts, or too much time and effort. The unit even flushes itself when operation is complete. The final stage of GlobeCore developments is represented by the next generation model range of units for stream production of modified bitumen with the capacity of up to 40 cubic meters per hour. More detailed information about a double mill unit for modified bitumen production can be obtained from GlobeCore website, www.globecore.com.